everyone, welcome to Cleaning with Rona, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today, I am doing some light cleaning and starting my spring decor. I am decorating a lot of the downstairs area and putting a few decorations on my children's doors upstairs. I will even be doing a quick DIY where I fold my napkins into bunny ears. This is my first spring and Easter decor video, and I plan to have a couple more as I have more decor I want to put around the house. Please stay tuned until the end of the video because I will do a short tour of the finished decor. I want to invite you to prop up your tablet or turn up your television and clean and decorate with me. On this channel, you will find organization, cleaning, and occasional decor videos. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing so you never miss a video. So I wanted to use these plate chargers because they look like a bird's nest, and I knew I wanted to use pastel colors to give a brighter look around the house. I even decided I would wear bunny ears for the occasion. I got these plates from Hobby Lobby and I got the chargers from Target. And I will try to link everything that I got down below. Alright, so I have finished the main part of the table, but I want to add a little something. So I am going to, just trying to tuck that in right there. I'm going to make some Easter bunny ears out of napkins. They'll kind of look like this. So thinking I'm gonna play around with them. I did them in white and that's super cute. But then I'm thinking I may do them because I have yellow napkins. So I'm thinking all this over here. Junky junk. But I'm thinking I'm going to do them with these yellow. So I'm going to play around and see. And if that doesn't work, I'll just go back to white. This is how I did it. First, I folded both ends of the napkin toward the center. Then I folded those two ends together. I put my finger in the middle and folded each side downward until the napkin made a V. And then starting from the bottom of the napkin away from the point of the V, I folded each corner up until it formed a diamond, then folded the napkin inward until it looked like a kite. I flipped over the napkin and tucked the bottom part upward, and then folded the napkin in half and secured the bottom with a paper clip. I fixed my bunny ears how I wanted them, and voila! Okay, I just did it and it's cute. I love how it just so happened that these napkins have the little white fringe around the edge. So then it kind of gives a little pop on the little bunny's ears. Yeah, it came out cute. So I'm gonna just keep going and just do them all in yellow. Cool. I have finished the table, at least for now. I kind of wanted a higher centerpiece for this table, and I may play around with it, and maybe you may see that on like a later video. But for now, I'm gonna just kind of go with what I got so far, and then just go ahead and move on to other areas. That stuff over there, y'all, that's for an upcoming pantry redo I'm gonna do. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But so far, I'm happy with it. And the little bunnies came out so cute. Yay. The girls chose these little door hangers from Hobby Lobby. I just realized some of you may be like, what girls? So I have 4 daughters, and they also helped me with the decor and the ideas as well. So speaking of them helping me with the decor, there was this really cute little Easter or spring looking house. It looked like a little chateau or something, or a cottage, and the girls really wanted it. And it was so cute because it lights up at night. So they love anything that lights up. They always want me to try to incorporate that in the decorations. So at this point, I was kind of being lazy, and I was really just trying to see if there was a way I could break off these flower stems to reuse them in a different way. And I didn't want to use the little wire cutters because they were upstairs, but then I got frustrated. So then I had to go up and actually do it right and get the wire cutters. If you're still watching, here's a question. Have you all already decorated your home for spring or for Easter? Drop it below in the comments and let me know. And now it's time for the mini spring home tour. I hope this video gave you all the spring feels and thrills. Please stay tuned because I will be doing more decor, cleaning, and makeovers. Please, if you got any value from this video, hit the like button, go on and share it with a friend, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, follow me on Instagram at Clean It with Rona. See you next time. Bye-bye.